Witnesses described the explosion as extremely powerful. 30 tons of chlorine gas created a thick yellow cloud. The force of the blast scattering workers and moored vehicles around the dock. MOAWIA's SQOOR was in the crane. He's wounded but lucky to have survived.
I was inside the crane and I heard the sound of an explosion, a very loud explosion. I came out from the crane towards the ship, and just before I reached the ship, I saw this yellow material. I didn't know that it was toxic. I thought the ship had exploded.
This ship was supposed to be heading to Djibouti, and about 5:25 Amman time or Jordan time, this accident happened. Exactly what happened is not clear, but something happened that burst the container that had this chlorine, and it spread out to people in the area, killing and injuring many people, most in Jordanians. There are also other nationals apparently among those who are dead and injured.
Emergency workers put a 500-meter cordon around the site. Surrounding areas were evacuated and people instructed to stay indoors. Authorities say 2,700 security and emergency personnel were sent to the scene. Dozens of them sustained injuries during the rescue operation. Hundreds of wounded people were rushed to hospitals, some of them to intensive care units or ICUs.
The emergency room department dealt with the casualties. Some of them were put on respirators, some of them were transferred to the ICUs. And all of the medical staff were available, and people also came from outside to help us.
Authorities say the nearest residential areas are 25 kilometers away and weren't affected. Many people in the area want to know how the incident happened and whether it could affect their health. Jordanian authorities say they will launch an investigation to find out. Mohammed, Vall, Al Jazeera.